Hi everyone, so let's talk about the change of base formula for our logarithms. Let's start with our conditions. We've got for all positive numbers a, b, and n, so they're all positive numbers. We can say that also we'll have a does not equal to 1 and b cannot equal to 1. Alright, so then let's say we have log base a of n, okay, and then we can set this equal to log base b, any other b, all right, so basically any other number that you choose, e of n over log base b of a. So you are using n and a still in this instance, but what's happening is you're changing the base. Now the reason for changing the base, why this exists, is that we actually have a common logarithm, which is the common log is log base 10 of any given number x, we'll call it. All right, and so our calculators can easily calculate log base 10, all right, which is basically in your calculators, it's just log of x. Right, this is what we commonly see it as. So if you just see log of x, you're using the common log, which with base 10. Okay, so the change of base exists to be able to calculate log of x. So I can use any b basically as long as it's a positive number, and then I can have log base b of n, and I have log base over log base b of a. So let's look at an example. All right, if I see that, let's say, we've got log base 3 of 20. Let's say we have this, and I want to change it around, and you can use any base, but right now I use the common log. So I can say log base 10 of 20 over log base 10 of 3. So I can say log base 3 of 20 is equal to log base 10 of 20 over log base 10 of 3. And since it's a common log, we can just say log of 20 over log of 3. And then I can plug this into my calculators. All right? Okay, so that's if I change it into a common log. I can also change this if for some reason I wanted to, log base 3 of 20. I could choose any base that I wanted, basically. Let's say I say log base 2, right? But again, what I have in the top, I must also have in the bottom. You will put your number inside that comes in the inside first. That's going to be your numerator, so log base 2 of 20, and then 3 will be your denominator. And then this would be your final answer. So here's your final answer if you use a common log, and then log of a number is a constant, and then you have a constant over a constant, and then you can find an answer if you choose to, simplify or approximate even further, and then you have log base 2 of 20 over log base 2 of 3. If you choose to have, if the question asks you per se, change it to a base of 2, then you would have this. So of course you could go even further because now you have, well, actually you can't go even further because you're not subtracting. You can't use the quotient rule here. It's not inside. So you would actually stop here.